It was a bearish day on Wall Street. This is the Meerkat in for D7 with the broad market review for September the 1st, 2015. Bearish day on Wall Street? You bet it was. Let's take a look at the numbers. S&P down 2.9%. The DIA down 2.8%, and the Q's down 3%, and the small caps were down 2.7%. All down. At one point just before closing, the Dow was down over 540 points. That's okay. Came back just a little bit. Didn't close quite that bad, but still, we got hurt. Let's take a look at banks. This is the 400 largest bank index, minus 3.1%. Yes, we cannot go anywhere without the banks, as one of the comments from yesterday's video observed. They're absolutely correct. And when banks are failing, the whole thing's going to fall apart here. VIX up 14% today. We're back up in the 32 range. So we are very high volatility, so expect some more price action to be moving around. Silver was down 0.3%, while gold was up 0.3%. And here's oil. U.S. oil, it was up 27% over the last 5 trading days, and today it dropped, well, it says here 6.8%, but the actual oil futures dropped 8.9%. So we had a big pullback in oil today. Let's take a look here next at the charts, and this is the S&P 500 daily, and we had this Fibonacci on here from the weekend. As talked about, it came down, rose up to the 61.8%, and look at that, tagged it perfectly from the high to the low of the run. And guess what? Yesterday was down. I said looking for confirmation. Kabam! We got confirmation and then some today. How far will it fall? Nobody knows, but chances are they could come down here and retest these lows from last week. Let's take a look here at the Dow using the DIA ETF, and it too fell down here. It rolled back up, and I don't have the Fibonacci on this one, and then kabam, right back down here. So now we're down here about halfway down, and we see if it continues to fall. Then we've got the QQQ, which is the NASDAQ, and bam. And the last one then is the small caps here. It was falling, it came up, and then today, kabam, it just went on down. Now, China did have some disappointing manufacturing numbers and service numbers. They've gone to contraction, and so that had immediate impact on all the world markets, all down about 2% or more. Now, we do have a Stock Picks vNewsletter. Stock Pick vNewsletter gives you a list of bullish fundamental stocks and bearish fundamental stocks. And when the market is bearish, as it is now, when we're officially in a down leg in all 4 markets, we then pull out the bear fundamental list and we look for bearish setups. Well, this weekend I found 10 of them with bear pullbacks. Let me just show you what happened with just a few of them. First was on DuPont. Here was the setup, and let me stretch it out a little bit here. I said over the weekend that if it hit this point on Monday, which was yesterday, it would trigger the order, and then it fell on down today, another 2.8%. So it triggered yesterday, down 2.8% today. Nice little trade going there. Next we have QCOM. You all are familiar with QCOM, right? Yes, bearish fundamental stock right now. And yesterday it tagged in to that entry point right here, and then today down another 2.7%. So if you're a short, you're in the money of over 2, almost 3%. Next, PB, and this is Prosperity Bank shares, and it was in this bear pullback here. Looked like the market, and it just triggered, and then bam, it was down 4.9% today. So you should be about 5% in this trade if you had it set up as we suggested on Sunday. And then the last one here, UTX. And UTX, again, same setup. Let's pull it, same exact setup. I saw 10 of these in our bearish fundamental list. And sure enough, yesterday it triggered, probably got filled about here, and kabam, down another 2% today, and it was down several percent yesterday as well, so probably close to 4%. If you're interested in the Grok Stock Picks vNewsletter, you can look at it 2 weeks for free here. You just go to the site and go to Trading Videos, and right below here where my daily one will be posted, down below here it will say, you want our weekly stock picks? Use this special code 2 weeks and you'll get it 2 weeks for free. So over the weekend we produce a video and we give you those brand new lists that are good for the week for your swing and position traders. This is the Meerkat here with the Meerkat trading rule number 10. Just remember that it's not the news that counts, it's the market's reaction to the news. Trade well.